Do you have a constant shower come from in your gutters? Maybe they look more green than white. Well, worry not. Quick unblocking and a pristine clean is just a phone call away. VaporClean's external team offers professional gutter and fascia clearing and cleaning that uses long-reach vacuum technology combined with 100% pure water reach and wash system to give you the brightest clean. First, our gutter vac system uses the latest technology to completely remove all debris inside the gutters in a safe, efficient and affordable way. With a CCTV camera attached, we work from the ground with a clear view to ensure a full removal. Recording the footage so we can even supply that to you after the clean. Don't forget the look though, because we combine that with our reach and wash system to revitalise the often forgotten appearance of all your gutters, fascias and downpipes. Our innovative technology allows us to clean high from the ground without the need for any ladders or scaffolding. And because we avoid the use of detergents and chemicals, our system is eco-friendly and safe for you and your property. At VaporClean, we take pride in our work and strive for 100% customer satisfaction. But don't take my word for that. You can check out over 1,000 Trustpilot reviews. With years of experience and investment in the latest cleaning methods and technology, we can guarantee the best quality clearing and cleaning service available. Our team of trained and insured professionals will provide you with a prompt and reliable service. Say goodbye to blocked gutters and grimy fascias and say hello to the revitalised look of your property. We're just one call away today for a free, no obligation quote. Our friendly team here in the office are available to answer any questions you may have and schedule an appointment for our local technicians to provide a professional and thorough cleaning service. Make the smart choice and trust VaporClean for your gutter cleaning and clearing. And remember, one call cleans it all.